Solving inequalities with no solution or all real numbers as solutions. For each inequality, choose a statement that describes its solution. If applicable, give the solution. So I'm going to begin by just rewriting that inequality over here on the side where I have a little more room to work with it. I have negative 2 times y plus 5 plus 22. Excuse me, I made a typo there. That's 22 is greater than 2 times 6 minus y. Now in order to solve this, I'm going to draw my line down the center at the sign because that helps me stay organized. The first thing that I need to do is get rid of those parentheses on either side. So I'm going to distribute. I'm going to distribute this negative 2 and I'm going to distribute this positive 2 here. So I have negative 2y minus 10 plus 22 is greater than 12 minus 2y. Now on my left over here I have some like terms I can combine. This negative 10 and the 22 are both constants, so I can combine them. So I have negative 2y plus 12 is greater than 12 minus 2y. Now I need to get the variable on the same side. So I'm going to go ahead and add this negative 2y to both sides to cancel it here and move it over here. So I have 12 is greater than 12, except negative 2y plus 2y also cancels to 0. So I end up with 12 is greater than 12. I need to decide if this is a true statement or a false statement. 12 is greater, strictly greater than 12. That's false because there's not an or equals to here. So because this is false and my variable disappeared and it's a false statement, it is no solution. However, if my variable had disappeared and this was true, like it had an equals to here, it would be all real numbers. And if my variable hadn't disappeared, I could have gotten a solution. So that's the first one. Let's do the second one. Again, I'm going to just rewrite my inequality over here on the side so I can work with it a little bit better. I have 4 times 5 minus x plus 4x is less than or equal to 18. So I'm going to draw my line down my sign. And I'm going to again get rid of my parentheses first by distributing. So I have 4 times 5, which is 20, minus 4x plus 4x, which is less than or equal to 18. Again, I see on my left side that I have two terms that are similar that I can combine. That's negative 4x and positive 4x. So negative 4x plus 4x isn't 0. So I get 20 is less than or equal to 18. So again, just like up here, my variable canceled out, and now I have to decide if this statement at the end is true. Is 20 less than or equal to 18? Well, it's not equal to and it's not less than, so this one is also false, which means no solution. Had my sign been the other way and said that 20 was greater than 18, then it could have been true, which would have been all real solutions. And that's how you do it.